Yes. Hi everyone. I am SS Kiran. I am dealing course is electronic devices and circuits. Okay. In this course, I would like to discuss about numericals. Okay. These problems discussion is very helpful to end semester examinations. At the same time, all competitive exams also. Let's start read the problem. When a reverse bias is applied to a germanium PN junction diode. Okay, a germanium PN junction diode. The reverse saturation current at room temperature is 0.3 microamperes. Here, room temperature. Now, examiner asked about determine the current flowing in the diode when 0.15 volt forward bias is applied at room temperature. Yes. Before going to start this one, you have to write the main heading is before going to start this problem. You have to compulsory mention some headings like solution of above problem, right? The first heading is the solution, right? Okay, now the second heading is given data. Whatever examiner given in the problem, you have to everything mentioned clearly in this solution part. Okay, now this is the given data. Actually, the PN junction is a germanium diode. It is a what type of diode? It is a germanium diode. Actually, two types of semiconductor materials are there. One is silicon, other one is the germanium. Now, here you have to find eta value of the germanium, that is eta equal to 1 for the germanium. Okay, that is fine. Now, the reverse saturation current at room temperature, okay, that is called T. So T equal to, if it is room temperature, that is 27 degrees, okay, 27 degrees. Now, if you want to convert into Kelvin, very simple, 273 kelvins plus 27 degrees, okay, 273 kelvins into 27 degrees. Now it is how much? 300 kelvins at room temperature. You have to write directly. This is the T value, okay, in the kelvins. Okay, right. Now, the reverse saturation current at room temperature is 0.3 microamperes. So this is called I naught. This is called I naught or IS. This is called IS. It is a reverse saturation current is around 0.3 microamperes. So this micro is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 6. Please concentrate this parameter. Micro is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 6. Then coming to milli, it's 10 to the power of minus 3. I think you're already studied in the lower sections about this micro and this milli. Now, this 0.3 is converted to 0.3. It's a micro. So simply you can write 10 to the power of minus 6 amperes. Okay, simply you can write A. Okay, now what examiner asked here, determine the current flowing in the diode, okay, when 0.15 volts. Now VD equal to, very simple, 0.15 volts. This is the VD value. Okay, now this is the given data. You know, actually after the given data, you have to mention known data also. The heading is known data. Known data means whatever you know earlier without given in the problem, then you have to mention this one also. Yes, very good. Actually, in the if you write the diode equation, in that equation you may appear one parameter that is called VT. VT is also called thermal voltage or temperature of the diode. Okay, temperature. Okay, thermal voltage. Sometimes it is also called volt equivalent of the temperature. So simply you can write K T by Q. This K is nothing but Boltzmann constant. This K is nothing but the Boltzmann constant. I think it is around 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Okay, joule per Kelvin. One second. Joule per Kelvin. Next, T is equal to, it is a room temperature. You have to write 300 kelvins. Then Q equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Doing all mathematical calculations, VT is directly, I have written here, 26 millivolts. You know already, milli means 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, no issue. Doing some all mathematical calculations, definitely you will get VT equal to 26 millivolts. Right. This is the known data. Now you have to write one more side heading is that is called formula. This is called formula. This discussion is very, very important. My dear children, you have to write compulsory. These are all headings is mandatory. Okay, these are all headings is mandatory. Now, formula is actually, what is the formula? That is called diode current equation. You have to write directly. That is called IDRI. I equal to I naught means reverse saturation current, or IS. Okay, open the bracket. E to the power of, you have to write directly, that is called E to the power of V by eta VT, then whole minus 1. This is the formula for diode equation or current diode equation. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, what is I here? I means some forward current. I naught means reverse saturation current. VD means we can also write this one VD, diode voltage. Eta means eta value 1 for this germanium material. This is VT, thermal voltage. Then this is completely minus 1. Doing all some mathematical part and derivation part, it derived this diode current equation also. Okay, right. Anyway, it's fine. Now what happened? I want to substitute one by one all the values. Then you have to take one more heading, that is called calculation part. Very, very simple. That is called calculations part. You have to mention all headings. Okay, then you will get full clarity. Now what happened? Then I equal to, what is I naught? Yes, 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 amperes. No need to mention the units here. No issue. You can write at a structure. Now this V equal to 0.15 volts. Okay, now this is the eta value. We can write that is 1. Then what about VT? This VT equal to 26 millivolts. So I would like to write 26 millivolts means what? 26 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, if it is 1 by 26 millivolts, then what we can write? Very simple. This 10 to the power of minus 3. If you go this like this, you have to write 10 to the power of 3. Okay, now it is 10 to the power of 3. Okay, 10 to the power of 3 minus 1. Okay, doing some calculation part here, I will do here, no issue, very, very simple. Just 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 e to the power of I think it is the value is 40 into 0.15. I will write once again 40 into 0.15. this 1 by 26 value actually, then minus 1. So for 15 fours are like 60, then 6 e power of 6. Okay, then one more step is 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 e.
This 10 to the power of minus 6 multiply e to the power of, I think 15 fours are 60, 60 into 0.5, okay, 1.5. So it's e to the power of 6, then minus 1. Then you have to use scientific calculator, then find out the e to the power of 6 value. It is around, I think 403, 403.4 something. Just you have to use scientific calculator, then you will get exact value, right? Okay, now it is 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 6. This 403.4 minus 1. Okay, now this, one second, 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 6, the within the brackets value is 402.4. Okay, just simply multiply with this 402 with 0.3. I think it is around 120.73. How much? 120.73 into 10 to the power of minus 6. It is a current value, so you have to write amperes. Now the final value is this 10 to the power of minus 6, already I told just now. 10 to the power of minus 6 is nothing but micro. Now 120.73 microamperes. Okay, this is the forward current flowing in the diode when 0.15 volt forward bias applied at room temperature. Now you have to mention one more heading. Answer is simply you have to write I equal to 120.73 microamperes. Then you have to draw one block, then it will be very, very effective, right? Thank you so much. Keep watching. Okay, I will update so many numericals in this channel. Thank you. Right.